In this tutorial, I will show you how to install a package with Snap on Ubuntu. So Snap is basically just another package manager, okay, like apt. Snap was developed by the company which is actually developing Ubuntu, okay, and so you can expect Snap to be quite stable and give you some stable packages to use on Ubuntu. So if you want to use this, let's see how to do that. So let's say I want to use Docker. I'm going to use Docker, the Docker command line tool, for this tutorial. I'm not going to show you how to use it, just how to install it with Snap. So I press enter and you can see command docker not found, but can be installed with sudo apt install docker.io. And actually there is a Snap for Docker. So for many packages, you can choose to use apt, okay, the standard installation with sudo apt install and etc. Or you can use Snap, so you can do sudo snap install Docker. You can see the command is very similar. You press enter and first it's going to download, okay, the Snap. And then it's going to install the Snap. So you just wait a few moments and then you can see that Docker was installed. And so now if you want to use Docker, so I press enter and you can see now I don't have the same message as before. I don't have Docker not found, I have Docker, well I have the usage, so I have the manual, okay, the help for the Docker command, which means that Docker is correctly installed. I can also get more information about this Snap with snap info Docker. Okay, so you need to use sudo to install the Snap, okay, to get the admin privilege, but to get the info, you can just run snap like this. And that's going to give you, so here you can see the Snap information, okay, for Docker. So you can see the name, the publisher, this is the company behind Ubuntu, for example, and well, some more documentation. So before you install something, you can actually get some information with snap info. And now once it is installed, you can also do snap list. And that's going to show you all the snaps that are installed. Okay, so you already have a few and you can find Docker here with the version, okay, the revision, the publisher and some notes. And snap without sudo here for just getting the list. Now, if you want to upgrade, okay, the packages here, if you want to upgrade the snaps, so with apt, you would use sudo apt update to update the sources and then sudo apt upgrade to actually upgrade the packages with the latest sources. With Snap, you are going to do sudo snap refresh, and that is going to upgrade all snaps, and you can see all snaps are up to date. Now, if you want to just upgrade that Docker, you can just do sudo snap refresh Docker. And you can see here, that's going to only upgrade Docker. So very similar to the sudo apt upgrade and update command lines. And finally, if you want to remove the Snap, you can do sudo snap remove and then the name Docker. And if you want to also remove the snapshots that may be created, you can also do remove -- purge. And so you press enter and you can see Docker has been removed. So if you do Docker again, you can see Docker not found. If you do snap list, Docker is gone from the list. And so that's basically how to use snaps. So if you were already comfortable with apt, well, using Snap is going to be very easy for you. If you liked this video, subscribe to get more tutorials like this in the future. Also check out my online courses so you can learn Linux command line step by step in an efficient way by practicing and directly going to the point. Links in the description. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial or in one of my courses.